Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is cybercrime in its examples. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cybercrime and its examples? Cybercrime refers to any illegal activity that is committed using the internet or other digital technologies. It can include a wide range of activities such as hacking, phishing, identity theft, malware distribution, and online harassment, and more. Here are some examples of cybercrime. Phishing. This involves using deceptive emails or websites to trick people into revealing their personal or financial information. Malware. This refers to malicious software that is designed to damage or disrupt computer systems or steal information. Identity theft. This is the act of stealing someone's personal information such as name, address, and financial details in order to commit fraud or other crimes. Cyberstalking. This involves using the internet or other digital technologies to harass or intimidate someone. Hacking. This refers to gaining unauthorized access to computer systems or networks for the purpose of stealing data or causing damage. Online scams. This includes a wide range of fraudulent activities such as fake online stores, investment scams, and other romance scams. These are just a few examples of many different types of cybercrime that exist. As technology continues to advance, it's likely that new forms of cybercrime will continue to emerge. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is cybercrime in its example. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.